Scroll Animation Figma. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in Figma.com. On the home page, click Get Started for free at the top right of the screen. Enter your email address, then click the Continue with Email. After logging in, click the Design at the top of the screen to enter the workspace. For this example, use WhatsApp UI templates. Duplicate one of the elements by copying it, then drag it to the bottom of your layout. Select all the layers by holding Shift and drag all. Next, go to the right side of the screen and click Frame Selection. With the frame selected, find the Clip Content option on the right side of the screen and check it. Crop the frame until it fits your preferred view. Next, click on the Prototype tab. Click inside the Settings panel, choose Scroll with Parent, then set Overflow to Horizontal. Now, click on your frame. At the top right corner of the screen, click the Play button. This will open the preview window. You can now see your horizontal scroll interaction in action.